Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 21st, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, IT and technology, FMCG, infrastructure, auto, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. Kotak Mahindra Bank surged plus 3.57% to 389.95 Indian rupees in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Kotak Q1 FY27 presentation, 23% profit growth, asset quality improves, investing.com. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Kotak Mahindra Bank sits around $413.35. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Moving to IT and technology. TCS climbed plus 2.28% to 2,251.10 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TCS begins FY27 with continued growth, wins multiple RE transformation deals, Tata Consultancy Services. The 26 to 28% EBIT margin band has been consistently delivered. The market wants to see whether AI-driven productivity allows margin expansion beyond the upper end of that range. Attrition stabilization is a positive signal on demand confidence. AI services deal conversions are the emerging growth driver. Moving to FMCG. Hindustan Unilever climbed plus 1.97% to 2,139.70 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ mixed as chip stocks rise in weight for big tech earnings, Yahoo Finance. The near-term technical picture for Hindustan Unilever looks constructive. Watch the $2,225.29 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to infrastructure. Larsen & Toubro climbed plus 1.67% to 3,838.80 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ mixed as chip stocks rise in weight for big tech earnings, Yahoo Finance. The near-term technical picture for Larsen & Toubro looks constructive. Watch the $3,992.35 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to auto. Tata Motors edged higher plus 1.40% to 336.45 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ mixed as chip stocks rise in weight for big tech earnings, Yahoo Finance. India passenger vehicle market share and EV penetration, particularly Nexon EV, is the domestic growth story. JLR's transition to full BEV by 2030 requires significant capital but positions the brand well. Any update on the next generation JLR platform timeline would be a catalyst. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 96.44, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.